Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's great to have you with us again.
Today, we're starting a brand new series called English in Daily Life, where we help you learn real English for real situations.
That's right. In each episode, we'll show you how people speak English in their everyday routines, so you can sound more natural and confident when you talk.
So before we begin, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and download today's free worksheet to practice along. You'll find the link in the description below.
Great. Now, let's start our very first episode. And what better topic than morning routines?
Tom, let's talk about how people start their day. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, honestly, Anna, the first thing I do is hit the snooze button. I'm not a morning person.
I think many of us can relate to that. So listeners, here's a useful phrase. My alarm goes off at 7 o'clock. Say it with me. My alarm goes off at 7 o'clock. That means your alarm makes a sound to wake you up.
And when you don't want to wake up right away, you can say, I hit the snooze button. Repeat it. I hit the snooze button. It means you delay the alarm for a few more minutes.
After that, I usually get out of bed, open the curtains, and let the sunlight in. It helps me feel awake.
That's a good habit. I sometimes drink a big glass of water first thing in the morning. It refreshes me.
Let's practice some key verbs from this part of the routine. Wake up when you stop sleeping. Get up when you leave your bed. Stretch. Move your body after sleeping. Drink water. Hydrate yourself. Repeat after me slowly. I wake up. I get up. I stretch. I drink water. Great job.
After getting up, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth.
Yes, that's part of almost everyone's routine. Let's teach our listeners how to say that naturally. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. Repeat slowly with us. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower.
Nice. Sometimes I also shave or comb my hair before breakfast.
I like to use this time to listen to music or a podcast while getting ready. It makes my morning more fun.
That's a great idea. Music can really lift your mood.
Here's another useful phrase. I get ready for the day. That means you prepare yourself. You shower, get dressed, and make yourself presentable.
Now comes one of the biggest morning decisions, what to wear.
That's so true. I like to choose my clothes the night before so I don't waste time in the morning.
That's smart. I usually decide in the morning, which means sometimes I'm running around looking for a clean shirt.
Let's teach a few useful sentences for this stage. I choose my clothes. I get dressed. I iron my shirt. I put on my shoes. Repeat, I choose my clothes. I get dressed. I put on my shoes.
Nice. Notice that we say put on for clothes or accessories. For example, put on your jacket. Put on your watch.
Exactly. And after getting dressed, it's time for one of my favorite parts, breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is very important. It gives you energy for the day. What do you usually have, Anna?
It depends. Sometimes toast with eggs, other times oatmeal with fruit. What about you, Tom?
I usually have coffee and cereal. Simple and quick.
Let's practice some breakfast phrases. I make breakfast. I have coffee. I eat toast and eggs. I grab a quick breakfast. Repeat. I make breakfast. I have coffee. I grab a quick breakfast. Grab a quick breakfast means you eat something fast because you don't have much time.
Right. You can also say, I skip breakfast if you don't eat anything in the morning, but it's always better to eat something.
After breakfast, what's next for you, Tom?
I check my emails and plan my day. I like to make a to-do list.
That's a great habit. I sometimes read the news or a few pages of a book before I start working. Let's learn some more daily English. I check my emails. I plan my day. I make a to-do list. Repeat with us. I check my emails. I plan my day. I make a to-do list.
Excellent. These phrases are useful for work, study, or home life.
For those who go to work or school, the next step is leaving the house.
Yes, you might say, I leave home at 8 o'clock, or I go to work by bus. Let's practice. I leave home at 8. I go to work by bus.
And if you work from home, you could say, I start work at 9.
Or, I log in to my computer.
Here are some common commute phrases. I take the bus, I drive to work, I walk to school, I catch the train.
These are everyday English sentences that people really use. Try describing your own morning with these.
Tom, let's imagine someone stops at a cafe on the way to work. How could that conversation go?
Good idea. Let's act it out. Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. Would you like any sugar?
Just a little, please.
And anything to eat?
Yes, a croissant, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
That'll be £5.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
See? Simple but very useful English for real life.
Exactly. Practice this kind of short dialogue to feel more comfortable speaking in cafes, shops, or restaurants.
You know, Tom, some people like to do other things in the morning, like meditation or light exercise.
That's true. You can say, I go for a run, or I do yoga.
Or I spend a few minutes meditating. Let's repeat. I go for a run. I do yoga. I meditate.
Doing something peaceful in the morning helps you start the day with a clear mind.
Let's quickly review some of today's morning routine phrases. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I check my emails. I leave home.
Great job. Now it's your turn, listeners. Think about your own morning routine. How would you describe it in English?
You can start your sentences like this. I usually, every morning after I wake up,
And to ask others, say, what's your morning routine like? How do you start your day? Practice these with a friend or in front of a mirror.
So, Tom, what's your favorite part of your morning routine?
Definitely my first cup of coffee. It wakes me up and gets me ready.
For me, it's the quiet moment before everything begins. Just me, my tea, and a few deep breaths.
That's beautiful. And for you, dear listeners, what's your favorite part of your morning routine? Tell us in the comments below.
Yes, we'd love to read your answers. Practice your English and share your ideas.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
And download the worksheet in the description so you can review all today's phrases and do the practice activities.
Thank you for joining us today on English with Mr. Bond.
Have a wonderful day, and remember, every morning is a new chance to learn something new.
Both.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.